Yeah, my name is Crystal Korosik. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of InnovoTEX. We're a cancer therapeutic R&D company. We're developing the next generation of biologically inspired cancer therapeutics using a targeted platform technology known as TextCore. Dr. Jonathan Arambula is the co-inventor of this platform and CEO of InnovoTEX. So through this therapeutic innovation, we can address an urgent and unmet clinical need for the treatment of multiple tumor indications. Our lead candidate, oxalotex, is being developed to initially treat platinum-resistant ovarian cancer. So while therapeutic development is rapidly advancing, the sad reality is that we have yet to have a treatment that is completely effective at eradicating cancer. In particular, 80 to 90% of ovarian cancer patients are diagnosed with aggressive forms of metastatic cancer that do not respond to the current standard of care. Regardless of modality, current treatments suffer from poor tumor localization, subpar anti-cancer mechanisms that are often met with cancer drug resistance, and off-target toxicity, which often lead to a search for either new treatment options or an unfortunate halt in treatment. At InnovoTEX, we're developing therapeutics that overcome these issues, leading to effective and continued treatment options. So how does oxalotex work? Oxalotex targets drug-resistant cancer cells, leading to enhanced efficacy and reduced toxicity, and overcomes key resistance mechanisms by a process known as ribosomal stress. Ribosomal stress is responsible for activating a tumor suppressor gene known as p53. This p53 activation destroys the cancer cells, leading to an increase in overall patient survival. So just a few investment highlights. We have a robust pipeline of 7 drug candidates. We have secured an exclusive and perpetual portfolio of more than 40 patents and patent filings from the University of Texas at Austin. We are currently mid-stage in our development of our lead candidate oxalotex, where we are finalizing the process development and manufacturing. We anticipate that we will seek an expedited regulatory approval pathway by taking advantage of the orphan disease designation for ovarian cancer. Our target market is projected to reach about $20 billion by 2032, and I will discuss in a few slides our multiple opportunities for commercialization. This is an overview of our robust platform pipeline. I'd like to highlight that not only do we have multiple drug candidates, but we have multiple treatment modalities that will help de-risk platform development and investment into our program. We're going to focus today on oxalotex, the initial drug candidate that's currently in preclinical development. Our lead indication for oxalotex development is ovarian cancers. 300,000 women are diagnosed annually, of which that 80 to 90% of women are diagnosed with advanced stage cancer and will develop platinum resistance to standard of care treatments. These statistics, along with current issues in standard of care, position ovarian cancer and treatment options as a significant global health concern. The ovarian cancer global market forecast is expected to increase significantly to an estimated $20 billion within the next 10 years, just creating an unprecedented opportunity to infiltrate an expanding market and seek industry partnerships for oxalotex development. We anticipate an approval pathway for oxalotex that will evolve from current second-line therapy to combination use with the end goal of creating a new standard in frontline therapy. So we envision various commercialization strategies based on the current ovarian cancer therapeutic landscape. Therefore, our commercialization strategies include partnerships with leading pharmaceutical companies, notably right now Genentech, Merck, Eli Lilly, and AstraZeneca for combination therapy trials, integrating with their current pipeline. We're also looking at potential licensing agreements or even direct exits. All of that, though, will be dependent upon our clinical data in phase 1. So therefore, our earliest exit may be within the next 18 to 24 months. We have strategically aligned these R&D milestones with immediate and long-term funding needs, noting specific valuation events. An initial investment has been closed to execute the license agreement and develop our initial infrastructure. This all results in vendor contracts, which we are continuing for current drug development work and to initiate toxicology and feasibility studies. We have raised $1 million to date. Co-founders have skin in the game, and we are seeking a $3 million seed round split into $1 million and $2 million tranches, in which we are offering 50% warrant coverage on that first $1 million to initiate sponsored research agreements with the University of Texas at Austin and MD Anderson Cancer Center, initiate animal testing, and conduct GMP manufacture for the API. This completion of the data set will be submitted to the FDA for our pre-IND meeting. We're also pursuing non-dilutive funding, particularly SBIRs and STTRs, to allow us further collaboration with the university and MD Anderson. We are pursuing a CPRIT award from Texas, which is the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute of Texas. They have both seed and product development awards that we're pursuing. And we have also been accepted into the Texas Medical Center Accelerator for Cancer Therapeutics program, in which they have a seed award as well. So as a global health initiative, we recognize that there are potential opportunities for national and international investments that have identified multiple strategies for regional ecosystem integration to help drive economic value at each stage and throughout development. So if this is something where you are not in the Texas area, or if there is an angel group that's interested in investing within their network, we have various strategies to help integrate into those local economies. Finally, we have a fantastic team of world-renowned scientists. Both of the co-inventors of our platform are part of our executive team. Dr. Jonathan Arambula is our CEO, and we also have Dr. Jonathan Sessler, who is the head of our scientific advisory board, one of our co-founders over at the University of Texas at Austin. Myself, I have about 15 years now of experience in therapeutic development, clinical trial strategy, and working within the university ecosystem to spin out these technologies. We also have a few industry experts and entrepreneurs that are helping to lead the company as well, who have successfully exited into different IPOs or different commercialization strategies. Happy to answer any questions that you may have now, or feel free to reach out to myself or Jonathan via email or LinkedIn. But thank you so much for this opportunity and for sticking with us till the very end.